Hello, I'm David Beadle. Here's what's happening from RateAlertNow.com. 30-year mortgage rates rose for a fifth consecutive day after the November Producer Price Index showed a huge jump in price pressures at the wholesale level. Higher inflation hurts the value of fixed income securities such as mortgages. The national average 30-year fixed-rate mortgage is now at 4.75%. with 2 5/8 points, up a quarter point from Monday for an extra cost of $250 on a $100,000 loan. The 5% rate is now at 1 full point, also up a quarter of a point from Monday. Remember, 1 point is worth 1% of the loan amount. This means 1 point is $1,000 on a $100,000 loan and $2,000 on a $200,000 loan. When it comes to a 2-point loan, that represents 2% of the loan amount. This means 2 points is $2,000 on a $100,000 loan and $4,000 on a $200,000 loan. The national average 15-year fixed-rate mortgage was up 1/8 of a point, with the 4.25% rate at 1 3/4 points, and the 4.5% rate is now at 3/8 of 1 point. In order for you to know when to lock your floating fixed-rate mortgage, you have to have an early warning system on changes in rates and points before they occur throughout every business day. That's where my Rate Alert Now service becomes essential to your rate lock strategy. I'll tell you via regular email and/or mobile text messaging when rates are about to go up. And if you act quickly, you may be able to reach your local mortgage professional by phone to lock your rate before the mortgage company has had time to execute an emergency rate change. The cost of my service is less than $1 a day. As mentioned, November producer prices were way up, with a month-over-month gain of 1.8%, which was more than double the Wall Street estimate, and the core rate excluding food and energy also was more than twice as high as expectations. On Wednesday, we will see the consumer inflation numbers for last month. The estimate is that price pressures at the retail level probably doubled from October. That's what's happening. I'm David Beadle. For full details on my real-time mortgage rate alert service to help you beat the system, visit RateAlertNow.com and check back here on Wednesday morning for my next free mortgage rate update.